hey, mommy, daddy, I'm not a boy. I feel like I'm a girl today.
Hi guys,
This is pretty much been explained.
Jonathon Daily.
SCOTUS decision on the Tennessee legislature banning gender-affirming care. Supreme Court in the United States versus Skrmetti issued a 6-3 decision on June 18, 2025, upholding the Tennessee ban SB1 on gender-affirming care for minors, specifically puberty blockers and hormone therapy. Why is this even a case? Guys, is it not obvious? I gotta find this clip. Hopefully, if we find it, we'll play it for you. But if you let your kid make a decision, a giant decision like this, which is, hey, mommy, daddy, I'm not a boy. I feel like I'm a girl today, or I'm a toaster, or I'm XYZGLM. I am one of these 50 million genders. If you let the child do that, how can you say that that's okay? But then you should leave every decision up to that child and what is regarding that child's life. You should leave that decision up to the child then. Let the child have whatever they want for dinner. Are they going to eat ice cream every night for dinner? Probably. Are they going to make horrible decisions and probably be dead within a week if you let them make every major decision in their life for them? Probably. They'll just walk out in the middle of the road. That's what people are wanting. They're wanting to let a 3-year-old who can barely just decide how to talk. Of course, they manipulate them and tell them that they're opposite gender because, kids are going to listen to their parents. But can you imagine a 3-year-old trying to, mommy, daddy, I'm a different gender? Sure. Let them do whatever they want. If they say that they want to go swimming, even though they don't know how to swim, let them go swimming. See how well that goes for them. Anyways, regarding this case, the majority opinion given by Chief Justice Roberts, the law targets age and medical treatment, not sex or transgender status. So, of course, the attack on this law, which was legally enacted by the legislature of Tennessee, saying that hospitals, specifically the Vanderbilt Hospital, cannot issue gender-affirming care, give puberty blockers, etc. to kids who were born of one sex and are claiming to be of another sex. Obvious reasons for that, but the legal argument here, of course, it's being attacked based on Equal Protections Clause for sex discrimination. The problem with that, and if I can't believe it's not obvious, is if you really read the concurrence here by Barrett, Thomas, and Alito, they further emphasize that transgender individuals are not a protected class and elaborated on the scope of that decision. What they're saying is transgender individuals are not of a protected class because protected classes are based on immutable characteristics. That is your sex and your race, things that you're born with that you cannot change. So, obviously, transgender individuals would not fall under that because you choose to be transgender. You can choose at any point, oh, I'm a girl today, I'm a boy today, I'm a XYZ toaster today. So, obviously, the transgender individuals do not fall under the protected class. The dissent by Sotomayor, joined by Kagan and Jackson, geniuses on this Supreme Court, argued the law is effectively sex-based discrimination cloaked in age-based language, warning it undermines civil right protections. That's so asinine because anybody at any point in time can become a transgender individual. All they have to do is say they are. So it makes no sense that transgender individuals should fall under the protected class because you're not born being transgender. If you're born being transgender, you can wake up any point and decide you're not transgender. You can always change this. So it would be asinine to say that transgender individuals, that this law would fall under the Equal Protection Clause because that means any law could then become, any person is a protected class at that point, is what it would be effectively saying. Ridiculous. Right decision was made, thank the Lord.
For the latest in case updates, legal tips, news, and politics, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and our other socials, and above all, subscribe on YouTube to get your dose of excellence on a daily basis.